With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is choose the correct statement about the direction of DNA strand. First one is DNA synthesis takes place in 5' to 3' direction on template strand. DNA synthesis takes place in 3' to 5' direction on new strand. DNA synthesis takes place in 5' to 3' direction on leading strand. None of this. So if we'll see the replication folks, so that we can better understand, here I am making one replication fork so that we can better understand the formation of the different strands. This is a 5', 3', this is 3', here this is 3', 5'. These two I have shown the parent strand in which replication fork has been opened. So here synthesis of new strand occur, that is, so I am drawing in this way. This is from 5' to 3'. From 5' to 3' new strand is being formed, and others are formed here, that is in a, we can say that in this way. This is also, their polarity is also we can say 5' to 3'. Now this one, it is being named as, that is the leading strand. It is a leading strand, new strand which is being formed, and this is our lagging strand because it is formed in the form of Okazaki fragment, which will later be joined with the help of DNA ligase. So this is a lagging strand. Lagging strand contain Okazaki fragment. Now this is our these red one, black one, these are our parent strand. We can say that the parent or template strand. These are parent strand or template strand. Now we will see the statement. First one is DNA synthesis takes place in 5' to 3' direction. This is correct. Here 5' to 3'. Here also 5' to 3'. This is correct. On template strand. So DNA synthesis takes place in 5' direction on template strand. If we'll talk about template strand is the 3' to 5'. If we'll talk about new strand, that is 5' to 3'. If they are talking about 5' to 3', that will be leading strand. If there is 3' to 5', that will be template strand. So template strand, this is wrong. Next is DNA synthesis takes place in 3' to 5. This is altogether wrong, because DNA synthesis always takes place on leading or lagging. Both in 5' to 3' DNA synthesis takes place. So this is incorrect. Next is DNA synthesis takes place in 5' to 3' direction on leading strand. So 5' to 3' and this is our leading strand. So we can say that this is our correct option, and none of this is incorrect. Option C is correct. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.